Hi, so today we're going to find equivalent expressions by distribution combining terms. But this time we're going to do a binomial times a binomial. So this is called a binomial because it has two terms. And this guy is also a binomial. So notice they're both enclosed by parentheses, which means we are going to multiply everything together. So one way to do this is with what's called an area model, where I take my first 2x plus 1 and I write it 2x plus 1. And the second one on the side becomes x plus negative 3, and that negative 3, that minus sign is attached. So now we're going to find the area of each box. So the side length of x and the side length of 2x, we're going to multiply together and get 2x squared. Make sure I have my pen on. 2x squared. And remember that an x times an x becomes x squared, because like a 4 times a 4 is 4 squared. X times x is x squared. Okay, then we're going to do this box with a side length of 1 and a side length here of x. 1 times x is 1x. The lower box is side length of 2x and a side length of negative 3 will give us negative 6x. And the final 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. Now we just combine our like terms. So in this case, our like terms are just these x's. Now you may think that this first term of 2x squared has an x in it, so isn't it alike? No, because of the exponent x squared. This guy can only combine with other x squareds. Okay, so we just have this box right here, 2x squared, then 1x, take away 6x, negative 5x, and then our last box with negative 3. And you're done. Let's come down here and do our second example. So this example I'm not going to do with an area model. I call it also double distribution. So you're going to start with this 5x and you're going to multiply it into both. Okay, so 5x times a 2x, 10x squared. Because remember, x times x is x squared. And then a 5x times a negative 3 is negative 15x. Then I'm going to do the same exact thing, the term of positive 1, I'm going to multiply to both. So a positive 1 times 2x is positive 2x. Positive 1 times negative 3 is negative 3. So your final step here is to then combine your like terms. So this 10x squared goes down for the ride. Negative 15x plus a 2x is negative 13x. Oh. Let's delete that one. Flip the pen over to erase. Can I do that? I don't know why that shape is erasing. Let's do this. Do undoing. There you go. That's supposed to be a 3. 13x. Okay. And then the minus 3. Okay. And that is your final answer. All right, let's do one more. So x plus 3 times x minus 3. So I'm going to start, and we're going to do x times x and x times negative 3. And x times an x is x squared. X times negative 3 is negative 3x. 3 times x, and then 3 times negative 3. 3 times x is 3x. And then a 3 times a negative 3 is negative 9. Finally, we're going to combine our like terms. Oh, what do you notice that happens? A negative 3x plus a positive 3x, those add to 0. Okay, so we don't actually even need to write that down. Our final answer is just x squared minus 9. Okay, good job. Thanks for watching.